Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be cleaning the shelf and we may as well decorate it. So come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Home Cleaning Motivation. And this is being hosted by myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquettes. Now I'm going to be using this awesome wood cleaner. Absolutely love using this cleaner because it just leaves a nice shine and it doesn't leave a film. It's just a nice cleaner, guys. Very refreshing. Now, I'm just going to clean this area right here. I have two shelves to clean, but I only have time to clean the one right this moment. So we may as well go ahead and decorate it, guys. And that is what we're doing. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, what I'm going to do is link those 3 channels down below in the description box. Now I am trying to keep it mostly yellow, and I think I've done that, yellow and white. But I had to stick these bunnies in there, guys. So we're just trying to keep it summer and refreshing. And I think I accomplished that. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.